Hi, I love gardening and I love flowers. Here's my journey with my marigolds. First, a quick look at my backyard. These are my birds. Well, not my birds, but my bird feeder, and they just love coming here to have some food and relax. Everything has sun everywhere. Sun here, the leaves look moist. Asparagus fried. Okay, these are my marigolds. They're taking this heat, but they're gonna need some water today. I started my planting of these seeds on February 27th, and I put them in this tray so that we can start germinating them here. This is about 5 days later. I had them in the garage, and can you believe this? Gorgeous, coming up slowly. Wow, can you believe this? This is March 19th. Look how beautiful they are. Okay, on March 27th, I decided to take them out of the small pot or individual and plant these in this planter. I put some in here. I wanted to see how they were going to grow, just to get some idea of where I would be going with them. But here I go, starting them on their own. Okay, I know it's been a while, but this is in May, about May 15th. I put them in the ground. Look how beautiful they're coming up. I love the way they're looking. Look at those gorgeous blooms. And this is just in the garden. I put some in the garden and I put some in a container. I had so many of them, but they're just lovely. Okay, this is July 15th, and they're all in the ground. The summer heat is really working on them, but they're still looking good. The ones in the pot did not work out as well. They're struggling, I guess, with the heat also, but they're lovely and I love them.